Hello everyone, my name is Mubashir Hussain and you are watching on the YouTube channel SHEENmeem. In today's lecture, you will learn about how to add image and videos in your GoHighLevel funnel. I have created a template like this to explain image and video element in GoHighLevel. So let's start. First of all, I will add a full width section and in it I will add two columns. In the background I have set a background image. So what I will do is in background media type select image and select on the image element and just select the image. Now if you want your image to stick on the screen while scrolling, then you can select full center parallax, but I prefer full center, which makes it scroll with the screen. So in the first column I will add the heading, changing its font size in desktop to 52, 50, and setting its color to white. These are the things that you already know about it. I have explained in the previous lecture. You can watch those on my YouTube channel. So I am changing its width to 90% of the whole funnel and change its ratio. Now I am copying this text and add subheading element, Ctrl Shift plus V, paste, typography to content bar and color to white, adding its top and bottom padding so that they do not look too much closer to each other, and a button. So adding a button, align to left, and I can select this element, this theme. So this is the element and change its color to red. Our first hero section is almost complete, but you can see the image in the background is dark, but our image is looking so bright. So what I will do is adding background color to black and changing the image option in opacity to half fade. So you can see it's dark now. So align to left, and you can see there is a gap in top and bottom. For this purpose I will add a divider, 25. So why I have added a divider instead of adding just padding? Because in the mobile view section you can see, let me hide this column. So you can see there is a lot of padding showing in the mobile view which do not look good. So what I can do is I can hide divider element from mobile view. So now the next section, in the next section full width and two columns. In the first section I have added an image. So allow rows to take entire width of the screen and the row width to 90%. Adding an image, select the image and upload from media library. Select the image and in the advanced section select the image radius to circle. Adding the first heading, writing my name, line to left, top heading 10, bottom 10, and just copy the whole dummy text here. Paragraph, and paste. So this text looks too much closer to each other. So for the purpose I can literally add 1.7 line height, and the image is looking too much big. So you can adjust its height and width. I am adding it 400 px width, and it looks good. So in the next section I will add image videos. So adding a 3-column row, and in each column I will add video and bullet list. So before bullet list there is a heading. So what is the heading font? It's 26. So 26 by 26, line to left, copy and paste. Remember that I always used Control Shift plus V to paste, and as you can see there is only one bullet list coming. For this purpose you can do is backspace and enter, backspace enter, backspace enter. This is the issue that you will always encounter. So this is the simplest way you can do it. And from the YouTube I can just copy the links of my YouTube channel, copy and just paste in the video URL element. You can select any type of video in here: Vimeo, Vistia, custom embedded, HTML5 or hosted video. I am selecting YouTube video and pasted its link here. Now I can clone each column, clone this column and see. I don't have to again select the element and copy paste it. Just copy and paste, copy and paste, and select the YouTube video. Lecture 3, form element. So Now see what we can do with the image in advanced section. In which you can add some of the themes like shadow and border, and you can add some shadow of image in the background, and you can also select it to colorful and black and white. So that's all for today. Hope you see in the next lecture. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification for the further updates. Thanks for watching.